Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan, welcome back to The Forge. In this episode, trust me, I'm a blacksmith. Let's make another bottle opener that doesn't need a punched hole. So another video on how to make a really super simple bottle opener that would look excellent on anyone's Etsy or their craft stall or whatever you want to do with it. These are super simple to make. I think I can make something like this if I'm not messing around with the camera in like 5-10 minutes. It's super easy, especially if you've got the right stock to start with. And this nice little twist looks really good. I really enjoy making these. Anyway, if you'd like to get your hands on this particular bottle opener, you can win this one by watching the video and checking out at the end. I'll tell you how to win it. And then, yeah, so I'll see you on the other side and enjoy the video. So for this, what you're going to need to do is get yourself some bar, 3/8 or 10mm round. I think this is 12mm, but I'm going to forge it down square. And then from there we're just going to start. Again, this is a non-punched hole bottle opener, so we'll see how this looks at the end. Probably going to put a little twist on the end of this one. So I've got my bar nice and hot. All I'm going to do is forge one side flat, turn it through 90, take the other side off. Like I said, if you've got square bar, use it, but if not, you can still make it out of round. Just follow the steps, but your twist won't look as good. Okay, nice and hot again, just okay, now that I've got the bar square, I'm just going to hold it over the bick of my anvil and forge down on one side and then turn it through 90. Do the same again and then back again. That's very ringy. So I'm going to keep doing this. I need to do this a bit hotter actually, it's just bending it up, but I'm going to carry on doing this and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, again out of the fire and forging one side then the other. I'm only forging two sides. Just encouraging. I was just using the round of my hammer there, just tidying up these sort of arches that I'm putting in. So basically exactly the same again. Just trying to make a nice, long, two-sided arch. Okay, so what you're aiming to make is this. It's like I hold it that way, it's an arch with a flat back, and if I turn it through 90, it's an arch with a flat. That's an arch there, that's an arch, and then these two are 90. Something looks a bit like that. Okay, and we're almost done now. We've just got to bend this up. Okay, that wasn't very good. I thought I pressed record and I hadn't. Basically, what I've done here is I took the two curved, the two archways facing up to me, turned them to my left, and I've just forged it down so it's done that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rounding side of the hammer. I'm just going to start forging down that corner like so. Just like that, and that's going to give me the part of the hammer, the part of the bottle opener that will open the bottles. Okay, so the next step is to bring this part round so that it lines up just here, like so. Okay, so there it is, and that's basically the bottle opener. Now this bit here, I'm going to put some chisel marks in there, and then I'm going to give it a nice twist and see what comes out. The last one of these I did like that, and it looked pretty good. So I am going to sort that out now, and see you in a minute. Just got a bit of heat in here, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark this up. I'm just going to get this in the centre to start with. Easiest and then done. Yeah, that's pretty central to me. And then just going to turn him over and then line that back side up. And again, just going to mark it. And to be honest with you, if you're struggling to mark these up and you want them to be very, very accurate, you're probably better off cooling this off and marking it cold with some chalk to start with. But I'm going on erring on the side of, I'm sure I'll get it right. Nearly there. Okay, just where the lines finish, just going to grab that like so. Get my adjustables on here, right on the top here, like so. Had a good twist all the way round once, like so. When I did that, I just bent that up just now, it got a little bit deformed, and one of the issues I have at the minute is I don't have a good high hammer. So what I'm doing to straighten this up is I'm holding the very end of the twist just over the anvil, and I will be using the hammer here on this back end to try and straighten everything up, if it'll go. Just have a nice straighten up. pretty good. Right then, a bit of a brush. This end has got very hot. So what I've done is I've just taken it to the angle grinder and just chopped off the remainder of the bar right by the bottom of the twist. I just think it looks nice to have that simple transition there. I'm going to give this a nice brush now. Get all round, make sure it looks nice and dapper. Just going to warm that end up and give that a good brush as well, I think. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making these bottle openers. I have no idea where this idea came from. I know that it's not mine. I've copied someone. I think it was some Russian dude, but I can't remember. Anyway, these come out lovely. They're really quick to make. I think you can knock one of these out in about 5 minutes if you have the square bar to start with and you're keen to get it done. Yeah, I really enjoy them. They look lovely, and if you want to get your hands on this, it's very simple. You have to go to Jason Sullivan's Shamrock Forge channel, link in the description to the video. Click on that video and then in the comments write, Dan, that's a nice bottle opener, wouldn't mind getting my hands on one of those, and I will pick a winner next Tuesday. So I'll pick the winner from Penny's video. So I'll leave a link in the description for Penny's video and for Jason's. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like I said, you can go and get your hands on this one by going and checking out Jason's channel. So thank you for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like and subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, ring that bell for notifications. Remember to go over and comment on Jason's video, and you can get your hands on this. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this video. Let me know if you know who first came up with this idea, if there is anyone at all. And that is everything. So thank you for joining me. I will leave a link up here to Jason's video. I will also leave a link down here to Penny's video. This here is the Patreon, and this here is the subscribe button. Thank you for joining me, guys. I'll see you later. Goodbye. Okay, so I'm going to just where the lines start. Oh, bang the camera. Just where the lines start, I'm going to drop it on the floor.